Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. So in one of my previous posts I showed you this album created with G45's Safari Adventure paper, and as always I have some paper left over, not much, so I only had one sheet of the 8x8 inch papers left over, but I did have enough of the 6x6 inch pad to create a couple of cards, and that is actually what this post is all about. So let me get you the first card. So here it is. So the sheet that I had left over was the Cutapart sheet. Well, I aimed at that. I knew I was going to have one sheet left over, so I wanted it to be the Cutapart sheet so I could use it to create some cards. So there you go. So these are all cut apart, and I also had one of the tags and envelopes left over, so I used that as well. And then I added some flowers and some leaves, and I even did some fussy cutting here, added a little key here. So there you go. And then I did the inside as well, so on both sides. Here I did some scrap matting. There's a free video tutorial on my channel called How to Create a Scrap Mat. So that is about the paper piecing that I usually do in either one of my albums or my cards. So it's a great way to increase your paper real estate. I added a photo frame here. Well, that is a die cut photo frame, but I will use it to journal instead of adding a picture here. So this is a journaling spot or a writing space to write my wishes. And then finally some fussy cut picture here of some flowers, some florals, and added some stickles all around the frame. So that is the inside, and then on the back it simply has a lovely piece of design paper. So let's go to the second card, which has the same atmosphere but has somewhat different color schemes, so more of the yellows and less of the greens. So again, some cut aparts here, added some flowers and leaves, some fussy cutting, added some buttons here, a little key here, stamp is a cut apart. Inside, again, did it on both halves of the inside. From a piece of 6x6 inch design paper, I die cut a nice writing space here for the personal wishes. And again, some scrap matting here. Again, check out the video tutorial. And as for the back, it's a very simple but lovely, lovely solid paper from the Patterns and Solid pad. And here you can see very well that the G45 solids aren't actually completely solid, so it's a very warm and lovely, very vague pattern, but I like it very much. So there you go. And of course I did some lifting here and there on both cards. There's some dimensional tape used here and there for some nice dimensional work. So there you go. This is my idea for some cards, especially if you only have very, very little papers left over. But if you do have some cut aparts, you can go a long way with those. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.